Hello guys, welcome back, my another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create this European Union EU passport photo size requirements. The required size of an EU passport photo is 3.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. Your face must take up around 70 to 80% of the total photo. Your passport photo must be in color. Your photo needs to be against a white or off-white background. Face the camera directly. Both your ears should be visible in your photo. You must have a neutral expression in your photo. Don't smile and keep your mouth closed. Keep both your eyes open. Your whole face needs to be visible. Your hair should not be obscuring your face, and you shouldn't be wearing a hat. If you're able to, remove your glasses when taking the photo. If you need to wear them, make sure that they are not obscuring your eyes and that there isn't a reflection on the glass. Your forehead and eyebrows must be clearly visible and not obscured by your hair. Your face and the area behind your head should be free from shadow, and your face must be evenly lit. No shadows will be visible. Once your EU passport photo has been taken, we will then easily convert it into an acceptable EU passport photo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.